Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Gaurav Graphics. In this video, we are going to create a logo in Illustrator and our logo concept is Night Wolf. So without any further delay, let's get started. I have completed this design in my mind. First, we have to make a big circle. We can say that it look be like a moon. So we can change the color of it. So I am choosing here red color. We have to remove gradient color, so click here. And now I want to add a wolf picture in this logo. So I have downloaded this image. So here is the image and I am just putting this image in my Illustrator. So this is image and now we have to cut this shape and paste in Illustrator. So first lock the image. Now select pen tool. So after selecting pen tool, you have to drag it. So I'm just make it cut. So guys, we have completed its cutting and now we have to paste this shape in our logo shape. So paste it here and now decrease the size of it and select it here. I think we have to make it small. So I think we have to just adjust it. Now it is looking quite good. Now select both the images and take shape builder tool and delete the shape. Actually we have to make it negative space, so we have to delete it. And now select this image and take smooth tool and now make it smooth little bit. So I think it is looking quite good and we have to make this logo in a moon, so we can change it color. So first we can use gradient color here. So select gradient panel from here and now put the color. So I am just putting here blue color. In this slider we can make it duplicate and now delete this slider and make it here. Now select it and fill in this slider light blue color. I think it is looking quite good. We have to make it. Now open color panel. So my color panel is here and drag downside because we have to make it little bit light color. So make it light. I think it's enough and now select gradient tool and adjust it. So I think guys it is looking quite good and now we have to make a little moon again. So remove gradient from this circle. So take here simple color and make it again, copy and now select both and make it and make it minus front. So our moon color is ready. Now we are going to give some color of that small moon. So I am selecting here white color, so we can paste it here and now drag to make small it, and we can adjust it. After that guys, we have to create some stars, so we can make stars from here. So I'm just putting here and make it small, and by pressing alt key we can make it duplicate. Now select stars and make it little bit small or big. So I think it is looking quite good, and now we have to put some more creative things in this logo. So first we can create here a line. So I am selecting a line, here I think, and we can now we have to change this shape into stroke. Now select all the shape and make it shape, and select this corner and delete it. Now select this and delete it. Our shape is ready, so we can give some color here. So I am selecting here gradient color. Now I am choosing white color here, and here I am choosing some dark color. I am choosing this, and now reverse it. So guys, I think it is looking quite good, and now we have to make more gradients, more shapes for gradients. So select pen tool and drag from here to here, make it stroke. Again select pen tool and drag here to here, again select and make from here to here, again select and make from here to here. So I think it is quite good. Now select shape builder tool and make it shape. So 1 shape, 2 shape, 3 and 4 shapes. So our all shapes is ready. Now we have to select one by one and take color picker tool and select the color here. Select the color from here. So I am choosing here gradient color. Now we have to adjust it. So take gradient tool and make it adjust. Now select this shape. And again we can take this color, and in this shape also, and in this shape we can select this color, and we can make it adjustment little bit. So we can adjust these gradients according to our need, so there is no issue. And now select it and make it gradient full little bit. So I think our logo concept is ready. Now we have to take our text. So our text is night wolf, and I am choosing here Resolve Sans font. So if you want to download this font, then this font link is in description, so you can download from where. And now I am making it bold. So I think bold font is looking quite good. So now select whole logo and make it group by pressing Ctrl and G and make it small. Now make this text perfect. So I am using in this text a little bit space, so you can see that. I am using here 105 space points, so you can also adjust it. So I think this logo is looking quite good, and our tagline is something different, so we can write it here. So this is our tagline. Now we have to change our font, so we can change here. We can take here Lato font. This font is looking quite good, and we can, I think we should use different fonts. So I'm using Open Sans font here. I think it's looking good. Yeah, I think this is looking quite good. And make a biggest space between this, so we can select here 2000. I think our logo concept is looking quite good. If you want to download this logo in EPS form, then you can download it, link in description. And if you want to change the color of font, then you can also adjust it. I don't need to change this color. I think it is looking quite good, and our logo is also looking quite good. So hope you guys like this video. If you really like this, then give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.